I will show you first parts, okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 again. 1, 2. Now turn. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. You understand? No.
But in this writing, I was asked to write the part of the conducting technique.
Aga minul paluti selles raamatus kirjutada koori dirigeerimise osa.
And probably we agree that it is very problematic to write down in words about technique.
Ja ma arvan, et me oleme selles mõttes sama meelt, et koori dirigeerimise tehnikat sõnadesse panna on üks keeruline ettevõtmine.
So what we did together with this book was to create a choral app, a conducting app, which you can use on your phone or on your computer to learn some conducting technique.
Ja siis tekitasime me hoopis ühe koori dirigeerimise äpi rakenduse, mida te saate kasutada oma mobiilis, arvutis, mis iganes.
The pattern for conducting in 4 looks like this.
So,
Beat 1 goes straight down onto the conducting plane.
auf der Dirigierübung aus dem
You
Takt
use the beat to create new energy for an inward movement.
nach innen. Dort
That's where you place beat 2. For beat 3, your hands move outward. Place your beat 3 there. Place beat 4 between where you placed 1 and 3.
und der 3. Es
Followed by an upward movement that prepares the next downbeat.
vorbereitet. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Au olgu pühale ühe olemuslikule elavaks tegevale ja lahutamatule kolmainule, alati nüüd ikka ja igavesti.
Kaya asked me to do this lecture about recovering after COVID, of course, because I also did my research about that when I was studying in Cambridge. But I had a slight hesitation. Do we want to talk about COVID again?
Kaie palus mul rääkida COVIDist, sellepärast, et tõepoolest ma uurisin seda Cambridge'is, aga mul oli samas tunne, et kas me tegelikult tahame nii väga sellest rääkida.
And to know where we are now, it is important to think that there was a before, there was a during, and there was after. And I think it's important to realize, because when we are now in the after, also depends on where we were before and what happened with our specific groups or with our choirs or with our sector as a whole. It is important to know where we came from, what happened during, and where we are now, to understand where we are now.
Selle aja võiks jaotada ka sellisteks etappideks, et praegu on praegu, aga enne seda on olnud siis COVIDi eelne aeg, COVIDi aegne aeg ja COVIDi järgne aeg. Ja oluline on siin praeguse hetke defineerimisel ja mõtestamisel vaadata, et mis enne oli ja mis seal juhtus.
Normally we have a choir with our rehearsals, we perform for audiences, we have our concert programs. It's kind of routine, we know what to do. But suddenly there is COVID, we are in a lockdown, we cannot meet. There is fear for singing, at least in the Netherlands. And we have to deal with social distancing and other measures.
Tavaliselt kooris laulmine, me kõik teame, kuidas see käib ja mis sellega seonduvad, et on kooriproovid, siis on mingisugune repertuaar, mille kallal töötatakse, valmistatakse ette kontserdikavasid ja nii edasi. Aga siis tuli COVID, ühtäkki hakkasid kõik väga kartma seda teist ja kolmandat, pidi hoidma vahemaad ja nii edasi.
This is a rehearsal in a car wash.
Ja siis lihtsalt otsustati, et tuleb midagi ette võtta, et ikkagi saaks proovida. See on autopesula.
So if you cannot use your regular rehearsal space, you find something else. This is in a football stadium.
Jalgpallistaadion. Kui ei saanud koori prooviruumis saalis proovi teha, siis pidid otsima mingisugune muu koha.
And this is in a circus tent.
Välitelgis.
In this way, they were able to still rehearse. I mean, the rehearsal didn't look like anything what it looked like before. I remembered conductors have to adopt the program because singing shoulder to shoulder is something completely different for singers than in 1.5 meter apart. But as long as they come together and make some music, they were happy.
Ja see tõesti ei paistnud üldse välja tavalise kooriproovina ja tegelikult dirigendid pidid ka repertuaari kohandama, sellepärast et kooris laulmine nii-öelda külg külje kõrval on hoopis midagi muud kui kooris laulmine 1,5 meetrise vahemaaga ja seetõttu pidi ka repertuaari kohandama, aga nii kaua, kuni inimesed said tulla kokku ja koos musitseerida, olid kõik selle üle väga rõõmsad.
Sing.